tuba, commonly referred to as trumpet player, is a bird, cat, animal native to Canada's Gatineau Valley area. With its impressive bell flare and valve spring, this musica species calls the Gatineau River its home. A rare sighting on the busy Gatineau River, witnessed here in his grooming ritual, the tuba is readying himself for the musica species' annual congregation. Once a year, the tuba makes the journey down the waterway in graceful form to gather with other local musicuses and other watergoers on September 9th for song, celebration, and beautiful ritual on the Gatineau River. They are not a shy species, and even encouraged by gathering spectators along the riverbanks, a true sight to be seen. For more information on September 9th and the trumpet player, visit FOG-ARG.org/Gatineau-RiverFest.